Welcome to this AgDrive video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add operations onto your account. A operation is defined as all the different services your business does. For example, raking, baling, foraging, drilling, etc. that you can see on screen now. Anything you charge a different billing rate is a different operation on AgDrive. To add an operation in AgDrive, simply click on the left-hand side on Operations. You will then be taken to the Operations page where you can click on Manage Operations. Here's where you'll be able to manage all the main category headings for each individual operation. So these are fully customizable to your business. So in this instance, I'm going to put in round baling as an example main category heading. Press Add, and then I'm going to press Save. The reason why I've put in round baling as a main category operation is that there can be a number of different sub-operations that we might have within round baling, as there is a lot of different billing rates with round baling. For example, we might have a 4-foot round bale, we could have a 5-foot round bale, we could have a 4-foot 6 round bale. If we're wrapping with a combination wrapper, it could be 4-foot round plus 4 layers, 6 layers, 8 layers. Anything that you charge differently wants to be down as a different sub-operation. So to actually add a sub-operation in AgDrive, simply go to Add Item. From there, we can actually put in the name. In this case, we're going to put in 4-foot by 4-foot round. We can then put in the billing rate if we are not using an accounts package to invoice. If we're actually invoicing through AgDrive, you'll actually use the billing rate that we set here. And we can also put in our unit. If you are using a cloud-based accounts package that we integrate with, such as Xero, Sage or QuickBooks, this billing rate does not matter, as we are taking all of your billing rates directly from the products and services that you have set up in your cloud-based accounts package. From here, we can then tick the box to say that this operation is taxable. And then, providing our tax settings are correct within our account settings, it should be right to actually put in our tax settings into there. If not, you can go into your account settings if you are a customer outside the UK and change it to your given tax system in whichever country you are from. We can also select our default vehicles and implements on this particular operation. So when the operator selects a 4-foot by 4-foot round baling job, he will always have this tractor at the top of the list when he goes to select the particular vehicle, as well as the same for the machine. So every single time this operator clicks on a round baling job, the round baler will be there at the top of the list to make it easier for him to actually select which vehicle he's driving for every round baling job he does. As well, we can also put in any products. So this is particularly useful for if on a cultivations job you might be charging for a fuel surcharge. You can actually put in fuel as a particular parameter that you would want your operators to fill out. It could be the same for chemical, seed, fertilizer, silage wrap, etc. We can also ask the operator about extra information on that particular job. So if we're on a round baling job, this could be what moisture content are the bales, what's the average weight. If we are on a drilling job as an example, we might want to ask the operator what crop have they drilled, what's the variety, how much seed have they used, seed rate, etc. So in this instance with round baling, I might put in moisture content as a box that the operators have to fill out at the end of the job. And I'm going to select the unit as in percentage and press Add. And then as well, I can also ask them for the average bale weight, and select a unit on here. If we select the unit as none, this is actually a free-form text box, whereas everything else is essentially a numbered box. I'll press Add. We can also add in a description, as well as we can also add in any health and safety checks on that operation as well. From there, we can then tick the box to make these health and safety checklists compulsory, same as we can do for the vehicle and implement checklists. And then again, we'll just press save sub-operation. And then there we are. We have added our first sub-operation on AgDrive successfully. From there, it's just a case of repeating the same process to add in all your different separate operations in. Remember, if you are using Xero, QuickBooks or Sage, you want to be keeping these sub-operations very similar to how you have your products and services set up on your cloud-based accounts package. If you are invoicing through AgDrive, you'll just be using the billing rates set from each sub-operation, like so. So here's just an example of how I've set one business up in regard to our different methods of drilling, as well as fertilizer applications, to grassland activities. So we've got all the different billing rates in there in terms of what services we provide. So mowing, tedding, raking, etc. And same for muck. So we've got all the different billing rates are there, whether we've got 1 spreader, 2 spreader, 3 spreaders or 4. I've also separated out square baling into a main category operation. You can also add any of these operations on the mobile as well, on the go, as you can see on screen now. Pretty much the exact same process. If you have any questions or queries about setting up operations on your AgDrive account, I will leave our contact details in the description below. You can contact us at support@ag-drive.com. Thank you very much for watching.